Hello, everybody, and welcome to Noelle and Co. Um, this is my photography website. It's called Noelle and Company, and the reason why I branded it to be that name was because my middle name is Noelle. I'm a Christmas baby, December 23rd. And so my middle name is Noelle, and no one ever knows that's my middle name, and so I decided to name my photography business after that. And originally, my photography business was actually called Noelle Photography. But then with wanting to have this business last longer than just a college class, I decided to make it a more futuristic name or title with adding the word company in it, and also to not have it just be photography, but to add design in there as well, and to showcase all my visual skills. So this is my homepage. I have 3 slides that go to different sections of photography that I currently have on my website. The first one is macro, creative, and product are the 3 that I have on there right now. And I'll just go through each tab as I show you my website. So the first one is my blog. And for my photography class, we're actually doing posts every week, and so this is my most recent. Me and my friends did a Halloween photo shoot this past weekend, so I just wrote about that, and I'm just sharing my photos and the process that I did, and that continues all the way down, so it's more like a blog display, and just how you just keep scrolling through all of the different things that I've done. And then I'll show you this part. This is like how you can subscribe to my blog, and a little bit about me. And I also have my Instagram slider going right there, showcasing my photography Instagram, which is noelle.company. If any of you guys want to follow, I would appreciate it. Next is my portfolio. I don't think I've added anything here quite yet, because obviously I'm still working on getting everything on there, but as you can see, my blog slider, I'm not even sure what this is called exactly, but it's on every page. And this is my logo that goes back to my home page. And then here are all of my tabs for the photography that I've done or will do as I go throughout the semester with my photography class, and how I'll put each of my posts into these categories. Creative is the one, I'll show you this one because this is the one that has the most posts, yeah, I guess, on the section. And so you can just click on this and learn more about it. I will show you guys this because this is my favorite post that I've done so far. We had to do a movie poster for my photography class, and so I did the movie The Intern. If you guys haven't seen it, I would highly suggest it. This is actually my grandpa. He did this photo shoot with me, and it was the best time. He was so excited. So this is the outcome of it, and it turned out super good, and I'm in love with it because this is the original and then my version. So yeah, I'll show off that because I really, really love it. And then the next tab is my store, where you can go and get prints. Let's go to this tab, and you can shop the photos that I've taken with different sizes. So if you're interested, feel free to check it out. And that's basically it. So thanks for watching this video.